This lesson we're going to be highlighting a really neat feature within Sheets, and that's the Explorer. So this is open at the bottom right-hand side of your spreadsheet, or you can use the shortcut in order to open the Explorer. And what the Explorer does is it allows you to essentially check the data in a number of different ways. So there's some smart ways to ask about your data and interact with your data. So the bottom 5 code by values. So if you want to pull that information out, it basically allows you to really filter through and check the data. There's different options here within the questions. So list of names. So if we did like a list of names, it would try to suggest what we want to look at for the names. And in this case, it was able to identify that column B had the various names because from the heading name. So it provided the answer for the names, and a smart way to answer the questions. It also provides you the data set that it's using in order to provide the answer. You can edit that to be more specific from the data in the columns. There's also some options here where we've got the code, so with highest values, so that will provide the code with the highest values. We can also update the formatting, so it's got some neat formatting suggestions to make the spreadsheet content more readable. Also, once again, you can edit the alternating colors and for the data that you want to alternate. There's an analysis of the data that's been provided. So it provides you a table format. You can select the insert chart, and that will automatically insert the chart that we're viewing within the Explorer. So this is a quick way that you might want to generate some charts that represent the data within your spreadsheet. So it's another smart option that you have for interacting with the content. So that was the analysis where you can enter in the chart. It provides you some details about that. There's also a pie chart, so you can enter in that. You can also view it full size. So this gives you some data that's available within the pie chart. There's also the bar chart. So once again, it's trying to represent the data from the spreadsheet, creating various chart formats that you can use and then insert into your spreadsheet as needed. So once you have the data there, it's always worthwhile to check out the Explorer and see what different ways to present the data that there are. And then once it does create it, it's like any other chart where you could edit it, you could update it, you could download it, you can move it to its own sheet. So you got the same features that you have within any other chart that you would have created within your spreadsheet.